Uh, Happy Tuesday. For today's lesson, after you join Zoom and identify the background, take attendance, then you should be watching this video. Um, on, on the day, there will be a link here right after where it says watch and follow instruction video. I want you to continue setting up your world history folder for your book by bookmarking Clever. So you can click into this and it should open up Clever and you just log in as a student. I'm already logged in. If you're already logged in, it should take you right there. Then make sure this is bookmarked. If you haven't bookmarked it in any other folders, bookmark it and put it in the world one. And check the world one. See, mine's right down there. Then move on. To access the book every time, you're going to choose Savas Easy Bridge. Might make you log in again. Might make you log in a couple times. Once you've done it, though, it goes pretty fast. Then click Savas Realize. To take you to the textbook. Me, I have a couple versions of the textbook, so I need to find the right one. You should only have one, and yours should look like this. The London Bridge. Today we're reading topic 5, lesson 1. Click on topic 5. Choose lesson 1. Choose the textbook icon. Lesson 1, e-text, World War I begins. Click on that, and it should open for you. Now when you need the book, you could just, boom, right to Clever, right to Savas, and you're there. Okay. Now let's go back to the directions. It should open up. There it is. Okay. So it says copy and title the document 5.1, World War I begins. Page blah, 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 read 5.1 and answer questions on the document. So this one's linked. So you click on the link. That'll open up my original version of the document. What you need to do is make a copy. Go to the File tab. Just make a copy. Go ahead and put your name on the front of the E version. And then click OK. You want to leave it copy? OK. Then I'd get rid of the original. That way I made sure I was writing in the one I could and using my time most efficiently. And once it's entered, make sure you put your name, date, and period. That's what I mean by titling it. You always need to put your name into a document. Don't do that, you're not demonstrating good habits as a student. You need to demonstrate good habits as a student. This quarter is going to cost you 15 points if anything is missing. It needs to be totally filled out. One thing missing, 15 points off. You got to master that. So as you're reading, now this document should be able for you to edit. See how my name is in here? That means that's my version of the document. When I'm done, I will submit this to the Google Classroom. So now I go back to the reading. Where'd the reading go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Here it is. Just look for the Savas tab and actually use the last one. So World War I begins. Read all the captions that go with the visuals. Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie was June 28, 1914, just 1 hour after this photograph was taken. And you can actually, in the newspaper sketch that they did, they show them with the hat and the mustache and the jacket and his wife Sophie there. Go ahead and read the objectives. Look at the keywords. If you click on the keywords, it gives you the definition. So you read everything. And then, if you want, I think it's okay to define the first 2 or 3 words. and then just do the rest as they come up. Or you can define them all, I don't care. But not all of them ask you to define it. Then play the video. Once you click on it, video should pop up. Don't skip this step because it's going to give you a quick explanation of what you're going to read about. I would suggest doing the following. Put the captions on while it's playing. Check the sound levels. When you finish that, go to the next page. If you're a strong reader, feel free to read, but also think about just playing the audio. I would read a couple paragraphs, then check my questions. A couple paragraphs, check my questions. You're trying to answer the questions, but bigger than that, you're trying to learn the story of what happened. And that's it. Should you have any questions, should something confuse you, ask. Should be pretty straightforward though. Good luck on the assignment. And don't forget to submit.